Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia again, back again with another exciting video. For anyone that is new to my YouTube channel, you're welcome. For all my returning beautiful Tovians, welcome back. Just ignore my voice because it's gone. However, I'm gonna try to talk loud on this video for you guys to hear me, okay? Guys, I know it's been a long time since I sat here to make a video. Yeah, it's been a long story, but I don't think I'll be doing the story on this video, okay? That will be a whole separate video for the storytelling, okay? But anyways, so on today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a try on all, and today is gonna be on the brand Temu. And today we're not gonna be doing clothes try on haul. I'm not gonna be trying on clothes, but it's gonna be specifically on bags. These are all bags from Temu. I'm gonna just show you guys. So in here I've got one already this way. So in here it's filled up with bags from Temu. For anyone that is new, I've done another try on all on the brand Temu, so make sure you go see that video. That was specifically on their clothes, but this one is gonna be on their bags, okay? So when I told you guys about Temu previously, it's a brand that actually is on everything: clothing, accessories, digital products, gym equipment products, and so many more technologies. Guys, this brand actually does so many things, and most especially I was very shocked at their quality, because I didn't expect their quality to be so good with the clothing that we did previously. But now we're gonna see the bags, if the quality of the bag is as good as the clothing, because I did a video on that, so make sure you guys go see it. I'll link that video above any of these two for you guys to go see it. But today it's gonna be on the bag. I'm gonna pause and show you guys the other side of the video. So to start with a try on all, we're gonna be checking on this bag. I think I have up to like maybe 8 bags to check today, so we're gonna see it together. They obviously come in this packaging, okay, and then they have their own extra packaging. So if you put this out from here, I already checked the bags, I'm not gonna lie, and I'll use some of them for a few days just to test the quality. So this one has the, I'm gonna try to go back, this one has that Chanel design, you guys, you know it. So I decided to pick this one because I just wanted something a bit big. They're like little bags there. I'm gonna link the links to this product in the description box and also their prices. So this one I think is okay for the church or for any other activity or for your laptop. To be honest, I've actually put my laptop on this bag and I wasn't disappointed. I'm a bit scared on the handle, however I feel a bit encouraged because it's probably sticked here, so I'm not gonna be like feeling a bit, oh, it's gonna get really bad very soon. No, because it doesn't have like a sheen or anything like that, so if you put heavy stuff it can still stay. However, okay, you guys know this is not the Chanel bag, you know. So this is just like a design that looks like that. I have a ton of, okay, like I told you guys, I already tried it for a few days and this was what happened. This one already turned. Can you guys see it? It's already turned. So like I said, the bags are very cheap. However, it gives you the cheap, you already see why it's cheap, so you already see what you get for being really that cheap. I know they have products with higher prices, so I believe those ones quality will be more better. However, this one aside, I like the handle, like I said, because you can put something on this, you won't be that scared here that it's gonna get really that bad. But the inside already told me I am bad already. See, that's the only downside with this one. Aside that, I think the quality is not so bad, okay, for the price, so go get it. And on to the next bag on my list. Again, it comes like this, so I'm just gonna put this up. I already put some of them just in case I don't do that here. So, and this one is a Tote bag, and then again, like I said, I was just being conscious. I like this one, I like the name, I like the design, I like the quality. This one looks like this one look like a cloth. This one, I know we're trying to go for leather, okay, but it's a cheap leather bag. But this one has like this cloth material. I don't know what they are called, however I think I kind of like this one because this one will last you longer, guys. This one will last you longer because one, the hand is well stitched, so everything about the end is okay. I know it doesn't have a zip, or like the other one has a zip. This one is just a button, so it's just gonna be like, you know, those type of easy bag you just throw in like this and you just go over your day when you just need to do like quick shopping around or something like that. So I like this one, to be honest. I like this one a lot because of the quality. I expect this one to stay longer. It's gray. I don't know if my camera is giving you guys what you guys should be seeing, but this one is gray. I know this one will last a little bit longer. Again, I'll put the link on the description box for you guys to go get them. And onto the next bag on our list is this beautiful baby. This one is so fancy. I know they have a lot of little bags like this that, you know, they just hold on and then just wear your ear and then you just, so they have a lot of it. However, I just like this one. I know my brightness is not doing too much, but yeah, I really do like this one. It has this little design, this butterfly design here. Ignore my dress, guys, if there's any stain on it. It's my foundation. It has the zip, so let's see what's on inside. I know it has longer hand as well, and so this is the inner part. This is the inside. It can take your phone, your little wallet, you know, stuff like that. And then it also has a longer handle, just in case you want to make it a bit longer. You just put it at the side and then just like that. There you go. This is a little fancy front. So I like this one a lot too, guys. I don't know if my camera is doing justice because I didn't lock my focus because I wasn't sure if I'm getting what I want. However, I like this one. This is gorgeous. And on to the next bag, we've got another. Oh, this one has extra. Right, let me tell you guys a story. I already have this bag in another color. I got it from another website, okay? And then I saw the same thing on Temu. I was like, oh my god, they've got it. I want the green one. I've got the black. This one comes with a little wallet. It comes inside. So there you go. It comes with a little wallet. So if you need to put your cash, you just put cash here, put your little bank cards, and then just put it inside. There you go. Can you guys see it? There you go. So this one is the inside. It has an extra as well. So there you go. You can also put your stuff here if you don't want to go with this one, and then you just put it there. And you can always put your stuff on this one and put it on that bag as well. So this one again is just like the first one. It's ladder. However, it's not the, you know, the expensive ladder. Is the one you can use for a short while. So far I've not really tried this one, so I can't tell too much, but the handles look a little bit well stitched, and of course the same on the back. And then the button, you just button that, and there you go. So you just take it and then put it by the side, you know. Off you go to your day-to-day activity. So this one is for this one. Again, I like this one as well. So I think this one will last longer as well than, I don't know, maybe the red one. But I think the gray one will last longer than this one and the red. That pink one is very smart. You probably won't be using this one a lot like you will use this one. I know the colors are a bit picky, but again, if you're black like I'm wearing now, you can always go with any color bags. So aside that, I think I like this one as well. So like I said, guys, Temu is a brand that is on everything clothing, everything accessories. So if you need any like that, make sure that you go shop with them, guys. So on to the next. So the next on our list, I decided to get a blue bag as well. So different colors. Now I have a bag of the same design already. The one I have, the same design, though it's cost more than this one. That one is bigger than this. And let's just see this one as well. So there we go. That's the bag. It can fit in your stuff as well. I have a downside on this one. I don't like the smell. It doesn't smell good. I don't know if it's because of the ladder or because it's been in the bag for a long time. I don't really know, but it doesn't smell nice. And another thing, you can see this hand is well and raised, is okay, and everything is just sitting well with this one. However, when you turn it to that side, this one is off. It's loosened already. So I just think they need to maybe work on the way they stitch some stuff. I know maybe because these things are cheaper, they are other quality. However, I think they do need to like work on that part, making sure things are well put together. If somebody should have paid for this and then they bought it and then they will have to then refund it, so that's another expense on the company. So just do something right for the first time so you don't get refunds. You're having to pay for a refund payment, which is paid by the company, so those are extra stress. I said I think this bag is lovely. Again, it can fit your phone in there, your wallet, your bank cards, your bottle of water. Yeah, so I think those little of what would fit into this. Again, I think the bag is nice. I think this quality is good. Now let's go for the leather quality is actually good. Looking at it, you know, there's some leather you get and after some days the color will change. I can't tell for this one is the color is gonna change or it's gonna remain bluish. However, from what I can see, I think I'm impressed with the quality so far. Yeah, I think that's made disappear. Maybe because it's been in the bag for a very long time. I haven't opened it, but aside that, beautiful bag, nice quality. And also our next and final bag, black bag. Suits very well with my dressing, guys. We got black bag. However, to be honest, I've used this for like 3-4 times on a Sundays because I've used this a lot and the quality still is nice. I love this one and it's black as well, so that should tell you guys the quality is nice. So I think I've used, like I just said, up to like 4 or 3 Sundays now. I'm not sure. It has a zip on. This one has a zip. Let me just show it to you guys. So this one has a zip, guys, so you just unzip it. It's not too big because you can see the size. It's not too massive, and it has this tie as well. This one goes to the handle, and you just, can you guys see that? You just wrap it there and do a bow tie, guys. They just clip to a bow tie so we can bring out the beauty of the bag. Okay, that is not too bad. Yeah, but there you guys go. This is the bag. I actually like this one. I'm a bit scared of the hand, not that it's gonna cut or anything, but I'm just scared that if you're not careful with the hand, it might go bad on time. I think the quality is not focusing, but let me take off my face. Is it focused now? It's still looking at my face. Anyways, yeah. So I think this one, the quality is given. I like this one a lot. I like the fact that it's black. I like the material. Yeah, this one is very nice, to be honest. And I like how this little design is here as well, make it look a bit more posh than the way it should look. And aside that, I think it's a very nice bag. I like this as well. You can always just take it off. You see, it was not there, so if you feel it doesn't match with your clothes, you can take it off and just wrap in any ribbon or that bow tie cloth that you've got. Like, you can just put it there to enhance the beauty. I think this too, they are almost the same quality, but I think this one is gonna be stronger. However, I like the both there. I like the fact that this one is black and this one is gray as well, so you can always just interchange between the both of them. You can go out with this or this. After that, guys, like I said, this is the last and the final one, which is the black one. My final thoughts will be these bags, they are all actually nice. The quality for each of them is not that bad because these things are very cheap, guys. Although I didn't pay, because yeah, like I said, you can actually make money from Temu. You can actually become a brand influencer. You can actually become an ambassador for them as well. I know I have a video where I already talk about that. I'll link that video as well for you guys to go see it. So if you want to join the Temu program or become their brand ambassador, yeah, you can do any of those, and then you're getting free items from them. So like, these were free. However, you guys know I'm always truthful with my thoughts. I don't say because I get free things I shouldn't tell you guys the truth. I will always tell you guys the truth. So for this, I think they are very okay for their prices, and also for the fact that, you know, you won't use these things forever. So just for the short period of time you need to use them, I think they are okay. I know some of them will last way longer. Again, I will always go back to this one because this one, the quality is very, very good. I know this one will last a bit longer than a lot of them there, and also that black will last good as well. But aside that, they are all lovely qualities, guys. So remember, go purchase from there. I'll put a link below for you guys to go purchase from there. I'll put my discount code as well, so you guys can get discount when you are shopping from them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.